the Cooler Master Hyper 612 Apex. This is where we start getting into some serious cooling for really powerful CPUs. Right off the bat, you can see this is a substantial dual-tower cooler. It's packing 6 superconductive composite copper heat pipes, which is a fancy way of saying they are engineered for extremely efficient heat transfer. Paired with this are 2 of Cooler Master's Mobius 120 fans. These things are workhorses. They can spin up to 2400 RPM and move an impressive 78.2 CFM of air. So, what does that mean for you? It means this cooler is designed to tame high-end processors like the Ryzen 9 and Intel i9 series, even under heavy gaming or productivity loads. People are seeing temperature drops of 10 to 15 degrees Celsius compared to stock cooling solutions, which is a massive improvement. And despite all that airflow, the acoustics are balanced, staying around 30 decibels. Aesthetically, it follows that popular stealth look with a jet black finish and no RGB whatsoever. It's built for clean, minimalist setups. Now, because it's a big dual-tower cooler with a height of 159 millimeters, you'll want to make sure it fits your case. You may also need to use lower profile RAM or adjust the front fan slightly to ensure clearance. But for this level of performance, that's a pretty standard trade-off. And honestly, for the cooling power you get in return, it's totally well worth considering.